people of the planet Earth. I'm Chin, and this is my little sister,
Leia!
Well, we're singing the song Payphone by Maroon 5. So, hope you guys like it. And please kindly bear with us if hindi po namin alam yung lyrics or wala kami sa tono. So, this is it. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. They say it's too late to make it, but it is too late to try. And all the time you wasted, all of our bridges burned out. I wasted my nights, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we call it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Sabay tayong chorus. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. 'Cause I'm at a payphone. Call me.
Call me maybe, okay. So that's it. Bye bye. Once again, I'm Trin, and this is my little pretty, cute sister.
Oh, thank you.
No, I'm just kidding, you know. So bye bye.
Bye.